Hi guys, we are at the 40th Bangkok International Motor Show today. We've come here to look at a lot of nice cars, a lot of nice motorbikes, and I'm with Edward, who is looking for a motorbike. I know this is a motor expo, but you know what? I just love motorbikes, and this is Royal Enfield. Classic.
Áo, เบาะลม เต็นท์สายชาร์จฉุกเฉิน และของขวัญพิเศษมากมายเมื่อเข้ามาในงาน และสำหรับไอออนไฟพลัส490 อีลิตราคาพิเศษสุดเพียง
They've got some nice bikes here, haven't they?
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of electric vehicles here from China. There's also, surprisingly, there's a lot of electric bikes as well. A hell of a lot. They sort of range in the 150, 160,000 baht. That's the kind of average price of an electric scooter, 150, 160,000 baht. When I was over at the Norton stand just now, they gave me a price of it was about £4,000, $4,500 US. That's really cheap. They're about 3 times that in the UK. Now I've got to try and find Edward. They've got a real nice bunch of classic cars here that have obviously been renovated, resprayed, brought up to pristine condition, looking brand new. I remember seeing one of these, maybe 2 of these in the UK when I was young, when I was a young boy. Wow. Lotus. That is a nice car. I don't know why that's here. It's a gyrocopter. It's not a helicopter, it's actually what they call a gyrocopter. It's a Rotax engine on the back there. Not sure about the colour, but a beautiful car. And wow, what would that fetch in your country? Classic VW camper van. Absolutely pristine.
ไม่มีขายนะ
Chevrolet, beautiful. Volvo, and an original little Fiat there. I didn't know so many of these classic cars existed here in Thailand. Like it's just come out of the factory, a Mini, the original Mini. Look at that. It's a Mark 1, look. 1275cc, 1967. That is a beautiful car. 57 model, classic. So I've left Edward to it for a while. I've told him I'll meet him in an hour because obviously he's here to buy a bike or to look at a bike anyway, look at bikes. There's a lot of bikes here and it is a car expo at the end of the day. Normally when you film girls here in Thailand, they turn away, they don't like the camera. It's kind of nice being at a venue where they actually look towards the camera and smile at you. So they wanted me to have a photograph with this. I think they, what they do is they take the photograph and then they charge you if you want to keep it. I just said I wanted to take some video. Well, that's kind of interesting. A high-speed powerboat at a motor show. There's no details here or anything that tell you what sort of speeds it would get up to in the water. So MG is starting to do a lot of electric cars and some of the car designs are actually really stunning. I'll just go around, I'll start with this one, but I'll show you some of the designs of the MGs. They're real nice looking cars, and as I said, they're electric. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the star of the show. What a beautiful car. Another electric car. So MG are coming out with some really good designs. I have an MG myself, nothing like this of course. I've got the MG3 automatic 1.5. It's kind of crazy having a car in the middle of Bangkok. It's very congested. I tend to use it only to go out of town. Really nice layout in these cars. Lots of electronics. Like the colour scheme. great wheels as well. Well, this looks like the next generation of taxi. Okay, we've got a couple of nice Lotuses here. Real nice colour as well. Love the colour. Now this is more like a British racing green. I had a car this colour once years ago. Lovely colour. Real stylish Bentley. And there's another Bentley over here to the right. Really beautiful car. The interior looks gorgeous. Sorry, can I open? Now it looks like we've got a nice selection of city cars here, very small cars. Let's have a look. Not sure if they're electric or petrol, or a combination of both. Very basic, but I guess they just put enough in there to do the job. Bit of a Barbie car there, pink. Look at that. Now that's a car I would very much like to own. It's a Mustang. Real nice colour. Actually, the one that was used in the classic movie Bullet with Steve McQueen was auctioned off not so long ago, and I think it went for $3.4 million. But that was the original car from Bullet with that classic car chase scene. Probably the best car chase scene ever in any movie. But this is nice. Let's see if we can have a look inside this Mustang. Somebody oblivious there to the camera. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, finish, thank you. There's some Suzuki cars here as well. Real nice cars. And this one over here looks a little bit funky. Let's have a closer look. Now this is real neat. What I like about this one, this little pickup truck here, is not only does the, like normal, the tail go up and down, but you can also access from both sides. So you can load it from either the right side or the left side. You see there's you pull that and that whole side drops down. And it's the same on the other side. And that's a little Suzuki truck there. And you can do the same on this side. You can open the panel. You just pull this lever. Sorry, just pull this lever here, and the whole side. So you can load from each side and also the back. It looks very large inside. Two passengers and a driver, and they're quite compact. Okay, there's so many car stands to get around here. I'd need a couple of days at least to get around every single one of them, but I think I've got the lion's share. I've got most of them. So what I'm going to do now is head down here. There's a great selection of scooters, motorbikes. This is what we started to look at. I'm going to go down there and see what's on offer, and there's a lot of nice machines down there. So take a walk with me and we'll go and look at some bikes. This is actually Lambretta. It is a Lambretta. Of course, the originals were around in the early 60s. Being old school, I think I actually prefer the originals, but they're nice. These are nice. Nice selection of colours. And I really like the colour of this one, with the checkered stripe down the side there. Do you remember ska music? It's got that feel to it, that flair of ska. Did a bit of glamour there. Nice bike. Triumph are very, very big here in Thailand. When you're out on the road, you see them everywhere. They're very, very popular motorbikes here. They're nice, but the thing is, I live near Nana, right in the heart of the city, and you know, riding one of these bikes would be good fun out of the town, but in traffic you'd constantly be going from neutral to first gear, back to neutral. The thing with a scooter, they're not the most glamorous mode of transport in the world, but they're very, very practical. Automatic, you're not constantly changing gears. But if I was looking for a bike to ride out of town, I think I'd consider one of these. They're just so nice, and they take me back to, obviously, when I was a younger guy. Classic design again, Yamaha. Really like those dials. Kind of like a cross between a scooter and a motorbike. Big scooter, small motorbike. The problem is with these, when you go to malls here, the parking for bikes is very, very tight, and you'd really struggle to get into a space with one of these. Nice to ride on the open road, but a bit too big for parking in central Bangkok. Okay, so we're having a well-earned rest now. We've actually found a seat. We're having a bit of a rest. What did you think of the show, Ed?
Wow, it was amazing. Everything with the motor was here. The thing that actually impressed me probably the most was the number of electric vehicles here. Bikes, cars, everything was here. It was very impressive.
Yeah, I think for me too. I mean, when I came here, I just had it in my head there would be a very small section of electric, but most of it would be petrol, diesel. But I would say probably, what do you reckon, about 25%?
Yeah.
Maybe 25%. And the amount of motorcycles and scooters that are electric as well, it definitely seems to be going that way. A lot of the electric cars are from China, a big section in MG, as you've seen in the footage, or as you've seen in the footage earlier. And yeah, it was a great day out. Would you come again?
Oh yeah, definitely.
What impressed you the most about it?
You know, actually the variety of cars coming from the States, you know, we might have the same brands, but not the same models. There were some really cool winged cars from China.
Yeah.
That, not flying, but you know, doors open, butterfly style.
Yeah, butterfly style.
Really cool.
And did you actually get round to the MG stand when we split up? Did you?
Yeah, I saw MG.
Did you see the red car with the flip up?
Yeah.
Doors, fantastic,
Beautiful.
fantastic. All right, guys, that's it from Ed and myself today. As I say, it's been a great day. I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to go and have a well-earned drink. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Ed, again.
Thanks, Peter.
And I'll catch up with you soon. Thanks a lot, guys.